When I opened up the box, my wig came in that clear plastic baggie. They was also kind enough to send me a headband and a nude color stocking cap. On the bottom of the bag, it came with a little bit of information on my wig. This is a Brazilian hair wig that's burgundy, 24 inches. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. You get 2 combs at the sides, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material is a stretch fit material, and they also put like a material at the top with a 4x4 closure, and it helps give like a skin top appearance. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. When you receive the wig, it comes with a 4x4 lace closure. At first, I thought you can part the closure anywhere, but you can't. It just comes as a middle part. The sides is like tacked down with tracks. So I was a little disappointed with that, but I was like, hey, let me just try to make it work. So the parting space on this comes pretty tight. I feel like it can be plucked a little bit more, so I'm going to go in and pluck the parting area. I'm going to go in and use this T-pin to help me pick up one strand of the hair at a time and just pull it out by the knot. I would take up 2 strands at a time, but I'm worried it would rip the lace. So to play on the safe side, I'm just picking up 1 strand at a time and just plucking until I see a parting coming through. A few minutes later, this is what my parting space is looking like, and this was the amount of hair I plucked from the parting. Now I'm going to go in and flat iron the hair. I take this product. It's the Mirror Smooth High Gloss Primer. This is a thermal / shine protector, and I just use 1 pump of this, rub it in my hand, then rub it on the hair. Then I go in with my Babyliss Prima 3000 on 450 degrees and just go through and flat iron the hair row by row. But I'm taking big chunks of the row because I don't want to use too little bit of hair. I don't got time for that. So I'm taking like big chunks of rows and flat ironing it. After I'm done flat ironing the hair, now I'm going to take my hot comb and just run it through the top part so I could get the top nice and flat. And to get it super flat with no flyaways, I'm going to go in with this Erica J Frisbee wax stick and just lightly apply the product onto the hair. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. Here is a better close-up on how the parting space looked after I plucked it. It's still a little tight, but I feel like it looks way more natural than when it comes straight out the box. And I feel like this style is missing something, so I went in and added some burgundy eyebrows. A lot of you guys always ask me, how do I get my burgundy red eyebrows? And this is how. But right now my eyebrows is micro bladed. So I'm just taking the red pencil and just running it right over. But if you don't have micro bladed brows, you could just fill it in with a natural pencil color, and then you take your red pencil and just fill it right over. You can make it how dark you want. The darker you make it, the more brighter it looks and the more solid it looks. I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm just lightly filling it in over that microbladed color. And if you guys are wondering about shedding, this was the amount of shedding I got after I combed out the hair. I'm gonna say my final thoughts on this wig. I honestly think this wig is really good for beginners, especially if you have a hard time dyeing hair and you want that red color. It already comes like that red color, but to me it's like a cherry red burgundy color. Really nice. The density is not too thick, not too thin. It's more on the medium side. Really nice for every day. The length of this wig is 24 inches. My height is 5'6". As for tangling, I did not get any tangles with this wig. Shedding was really low, and the size on this wig is big head friendly. The cap material does stretch, and if you have a small head, just tie the adjustable straps or crisscross the adjustable straps. At first, I really was not liking this wig. I'm like, it kind of reminds me of a synthetic wig, but I feel like it's really cute and on the go. It's really not bad if you want that red color. I am disappointed with the parting though. I do wish I had parting space like a 4x4 lace closure, but it's okay. I'm still making it work. And this is what the wig looks like if anybody is interested in it. Later on, I went ahead and shifted this wig to a right side part, and I did the little hole behind my ear thing. My sides is peeking out just a little bit. I should have went in and swooped it with some hair gel, but I didn't really think it was that serious because this is a wig show and tell. Beauty Forever wanted me to showcase this wig to you guys for anybody that is interested. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And if you are interested on any wig on their website, you can use my coupon code for a little bit of money off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys. Feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your